Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're going to find what app is using the camera now. First, unlock the device and open settings, then go to privacy or app permissions so you can see camera access lists. Once there, scan the list for apps with camera permission. Don't change anything yet. Make sure visual indicators are enabled so the camera LED or status icon appears during active use. This gets you immediate proof and prepares you for targeted checks in the next steps. Now you'll pinpoint the active app. Open the app switcher or recent apps and look for any app showing camera preview or labeled camera use. If none, pull down the notification panel to inspect system notices about camera activity. Next, go to Settings Apps, tap the suspicious app, and open App Info to view permissions and background activity. If it's using the camera unexpectedly, force stop it and revoke camera permission. This stops access. Finish by confirming and securing the device. Revoke camera permission for apps you don't trust, then restart the device to clear transient processes. Once restarted, recheck the permission list and notifications to ensure no app reactivates the camera. If camera use returns or you can't identify the app, run a reputable antivirus or privacy audit app and consider uninstalling recent apps installed before the issue. Troubleshooting tip: if the camera light stays on but no app shows, boot into safe mode to isolate third-party apps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.